Look how fast those dust clouds are moving. Trying to see the sun, well, whatever you want to call that. Anyway, on another video a few back, when I stopped and I said, "What is that?" And it looked like a round, like perfectly round see-through planet. And I didn't really think much of it. I said, "Wow, what a weird cloud that is. It just looks too perfect." But then I was looking on another video of another channel. It was called The End Days or something like that. I don't even know how I came across it. But she showed the exact same picture of that round see-through object. And how she explains it is, I guess it's, look how fast that's moving. Past the cloud right there. Those dust clouds are moving. And you could see all the bullshit up. They really covered it up today. It's so high that it's covering the sun and whatever that round thing is. Because according to her, it does it all the time. It does it every single day. Because the manufactured sun, it's passing behind it for some reason. Some sort of celestial object, as she calls it. Oh, look at the ones back there. They're moving too. But these are not rain clouds, as much as my sister would like to believe this. And they're moving fast today. If it was rain clouds, it would actually be raining right now, but of course it's not raining. Okay, you can see the sun right now. You can see what we were going to call the sun. See that tiny circle right in the middle? Something's biting me out of here. Mosquito or something. See that tiny circle in the middle? That looks a lot like the moon. Because the sun should be, way bigger than that. So I'm not even sure what that is. Now we gotta wait a second because the cloud, here comes that dust cloud again. Hold on a second. But oh, check it out. Look near the sun if you can. And it's so faint, this round object. It's big, but it's so faint that you have to like double take. You're like, wait a minute, is that a cloud? But this, you'll have to go back. Forgot the name of the video. But I just randomly stopped because I saw it. Alright. I think it's the one about my dog's a Democrat. Anyway, back to this little dot. Again. Okay, it moved out of the way. See that round little circle? That's supposed to be the sun? It looks a lot like the moon to me. It's the perfect shape of the moon. It's super bright though, so I don't know what that is. I'm sure it's not real, but almost looks like it's with the naked eye, it looks like it's kind of blinking, maybe. I don't know if blinking is the right word. It could be that cloud that just makes it look like it's doing that. But I can't see around it because they've got it all. Look at that wicked color on top. Do you see that? Like that. Maybe if I pull back a little. See that weird red, purple color starting to form around this dot? Oh, that's weird. I don't know if you could see it, but it's red, pink, and purple all around this dot. Like all. Now you see the other thing behind it? I don't know if I can explain it. Just look at that little dot, but then now it's covered again with that dust cloud. Wow, look at this other one coming in quick. Woo! There it goes. It's gonna pass over it. Look at that one. And you can tell it's not even that high up because... Anyway, that white ball thing that I guess they're gonna say is the sun, right behind it, see that big light? I think that's the circle thing I was telling you about. I saw a corner of it, and you notice how it's pink and gray right around that area. It looks way bigger than this little dot to be making all this light right around there, but they've got it so covered you can't really see it right now. I'm gonna get it again. I got it the first time. It was a little bit further away from the sun, but not much. Like it had already passed by. But according to this channel, when I saw it, I said, holy shit, that is the same exact thing I took a picture of. I got it on video. What is that? And she explains it's, since the sun isn't manufactured by, you know, them. See, oh, now you can see it now, like almost. Okay, you see how that little ball, but look around it, how perfectly round that light is. You can almost see it now. Like it's almost dead center with the big round shape. Well, here comes another cloud to come in, but it's really freaky, these colors. I don't know if zooming in is going to make it worse, but just keep your eye on that ball. And if we're lucky, we'll get enough of it. Well, gotta wait for this dust cloud now. Because you can actually see around it, there's something. There's another round object. You can't see it right now. They've got it too. And she also said on that other video, it's usually hidden behind chemtrails. That's what made me perk up. I'm like, whoa, okay. So now she's got my attention because she said that's the whole reason for the chemtrails. I don't know if that's true, but her guess is as good as anybody else's. But when I saw the ball myself, the weird round spear thing, and it's so well hidden that it just happened to be at the perfect place, at the perfect time, at the perfect light, that I noticed it, that it wasn't a cloud. And I'll even point to it in the video and go, that's weird, look at that, it's like perfectly round, but I had no idea what I was looking at the time. So now I'm trying to find, oh, now it's turning green, the light underneath the sun. I don't know if it's picking it up or you could see it, but with my naked eye, this is all green light. It's green, like a bright green. Oh, you see how it's kind of, well, I don't know if I'm ever going to get the shot because every time I get, and according to her, it's I don't know where we are because it's so dark now. I can't see where the sun went. According to her, it happens every day that this thing, it's crossing over or behind the manufactured sun every day. For what reason, I don't know. I guess to make it look like, but you don't see it unless you're really, really, really looking. But I'm waiting for this big cloud to go away, so maybe we get lucky to see it again. But now I can't even see the ball, so who knows what we're gonna see here. Alright, so we went from like a bright red pink to a really sharp green. Now we're back to just no color. So if it already happened, that means that it's over there, it's over here somewhere now, where everything's all covered up. Because that's where I saw it last time. The sun was there, and then whatever it was right there. So maybe it already happened. But they've got it all so dusted up today that I don't think we're going to be able to see it. I don't even see the dot anymore. But I don't know, it's really weird that I even caught that on film. Strange, I was lucky. That was a lucky catch because I never saw it again. But now I'm looking for it, so I'll find it again. Anything that looks like a circular shape. A little almost too perfect of a circle. And it'll be bigger than the sun. It looks like a planet, but a very see-through planet. It's really weird. Alright, I don't think we're gonna have much luck right now. It's too much of the dust clouds today. I'm trying to hide something because it's been like this for the last couple of days, but I'm gonna come out later and see what I can find. I can find that circle again. Okay, peace. Come on, alien.